Lives just a big waste of time? Is this a question that you've been wondering about? Maybe you have been told that you should go live on Facebook every day to build your business, or at least a couple times a week on your profile, on your business page, in groups, and you're thinking to yourself, is this actually doing something, or is this just a big fat waste of my time? So if you have been grappling with that question, you're in luck, because we're going to cover what to do with Facebook Live so that they're not a big fat waste of your time and how you can make the most of them. Obviously, I'm over here on YouTube, so you know that I am a big fan of YouTube, but I'm also going to teach you why Facebook Live might be a good additional strategy to your video marketing. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Lindsay Sewell, and I help you, the busy entrepreneur, to unlock possibility and potential, to stand out online, to get over your blocks and create the business that gives you the time and financial freedom that you deserve. And if you're new to this channel and you like this kind of content, make sure you go ahead and hit the bell notification to subscribe so that you never miss out on one of our videos. One of the questions I get all the time is, Lindsay, are Facebook Lives worth it? So I would like to hear what you think in the comments. Go ahead and comment below with whether or not you're doing Facebook Lives, you love Facebook Lives, you hate them, you think they're great, you've made a ton of money with them, they're a big fat waste of time. Let me know below, because I'm going to pick out one of our comments and shout you out in our next video. But I want to talk to you today about how to add Facebook Live into your video marketing strategy. As I said, I'm over here on YouTube. I think that video marketing is the single most powerful tool for you as an online marketer, for you to build the know, like, and trust factor quickly with your audience. And the best part about a place like YouTube is that your content is actually discoverable. People are over here on YouTube searching for what you're sharing, your content, the titles, the keywords that you're using. And so even if they don't know you, but they like what you have to offer and they need what you have to offer and share, they'll be able to find you. That is not the case on Facebook with Facebook Live. They have to know you. They have to either be connected with you on your personal profile, in your group, or on your business page. So I highly recommend that you have both types of video marketing part of your marketing strategy. If you want to be using Facebook Lives to build your business online, you might as well be also coming over to YouTube and creating some videos over here as well. But how do we make sure that what you're doing on Facebook isn't just a waste of time? If you've noticed, you create a video and you get a lot of engagement when you're on live and you get comments, and as you respond to the comments later throughout the day, it pushes the video back up in the feed. If your friends share that video content out, you're also going to get more engagement and more traction and more views on your video. But that's basically gone after about 24 hours. So how can you make it have the most benefit for you and your business? Well, one, your Facebook Lives should always have an end goal in mind. We don't just get on social media as business owners and entrepreneurs to talk about the weather, to talk about our dogs, to talk about whatever is going on in our life and what sandwich we had for lunch. You need to be focusing on what's in it for them, for your audience. What end goal are you going to be able to deliver for them with the content that you're sharing in order to make that time spent worth it for you and your business? Now, here's the other thing. I said you don't want to be talking about your dogs and the weather and what you ate for lunch. And that's because your content should be congruent with what it is that you have to offer and what it is that solves your audience's problems. So if you're in online marketing and you're talking about your dogs and the weather, it has nothing to do with your audience's pain points. And unless they're your really good friends or family, they probably don't care. People come to social media to be educated, entertained, and inspired. And so if you're educating as a social marketer or you're entertaining, there needs to be something in it for them. What is in it for them is the most powerful question you could ever ask yourself as an online marketer, and your content should be congruent with the problems that you are solving for your target audience. Another reason why Facebook Live might not be worth your time and how you can quickly change that is that you're not engaging with people. I can't stand it when I have clients or I see other people say to me, oh, I don't have that many views anymore. I don't get enough views, so I don't do Facebook Lives. I don't get enough engagement. And I go over and I look at where they're doing their Facebook Lives and I see that they have comments that they haven't even responded to or replied to. If you're not engaging with the people that are engaging with you, you're not going to get more engagement. The reality is you have to give before you can receive. And so you want to make sure that you're also out there finding the top people in your industry, in your market that you want to follow, and you're watching their videos and you're engaging with their videos, because then they're going to come back and engage with you and they're going to bring their audiences over to your stuff. Facebook's going to suggest it if you have a relationship with them. So make sure that if you're getting comments, if you're getting engagement when you're live, that you're engaging back with those people. And here's another ninja bonus tip for you. Engage before you go live. So this is like priming the pump for the Facebook algorithm. If you go out there and spend 5-10 minutes and engage on other people's posts, videos, stories, anything in their content, they're more likely to have Facebook notify them as soon as you go live. So again, it's all about giving before you can receive. The next tip that I'm going to share with you of why you may not be getting many results from your Facebook Lives, and again, how you can change that, is you're letting that content die after 24 hours. So as I said before, things are pushed down in the Facebook timeline, in the algorithm, really quickly, about 24 hours. And your audience can't search for it like they can over here on YouTube. And so you want to be juicing that algorithm up, like I like to say. You want to be pushing that content back up in the feed by replying to comments. Maybe you even drop a link to another one of your popular videos in the comments of your most recent video. That is going to stir up more engagement. That's going to get more people seeing it. You want to maybe host a watch party in a group or share it to a page. Keep the algorithm going. You decided to spend time to create that content. You want to make the most out of it. Now, another thing that you can do is that you can use a short Facebook Live to drive people to discoverable content. So for instance, I could do a Facebook Live today just talking that I'm going to share some tips on how to do good Facebook Lives and drive my audience over to YouTube where they're able to see that evergreen content. So you can use something that's quick and promotional because it's only going to be in the feed for 24 hours to tell your audience where you want them to go. Or you can use it to maybe do a product demo or to do a Q&A session. Things that, aren't going to take a ton of time in content creation on your part, like let's say a YouTube video might, and you can get some value out of it and you can tell your audience where you want them to go to see your pillar content, your really high caliber content that you're creating on a regular basis that really solves their problems. And the last thing I'm going to tell you about Facebook Lives that you could be doing right now that's making them a big fat waste of time is that you're not using a CTA. What's a CTA, Lindsay? A call to action. If you just get on there and you're educating and you're training and you're giving people tons of value and then you don't offer them a next step, it's a waste of your time. How are they ever going to be able to take the next step with you if you don't offer it, if you don't tell them what to do? So if you want them to buy a product, if you want them to join your Facebook group, if you want them to check out a Facebook challenge that you're doing, something like that, then you need to have a call to action that is very direct, clear, and to the point that tells people exactly what the next step is to take with you. If they're on your videos, if they're enjoying your content, they're getting pretty warmed up to you, and there will be a portion of those people who want to take the next step with you. If you don't offer it, you're not going to be able to monetize your video marketing, and you're not going to be getting any results from your Facebook Lives. So as I mentioned, I am going to be doing a content creation challenge inside my Facebook group. So if you want to get into that content creation challenge, where you're going to learn all about how to create content that converts potential prospects into customers, how to come up with the content ideas, what should you be talking about, how do you solve people's problems, what is even content? What is the difference between video marketing and posts and blogging? All the things that go in to creating really great content that allows you to take all the people, the 2 billion people hanging out on Facebook, and bring them into your world to convert them into customers. Then you're gonna wanna click the link below, get inside my group, Online Marketing Made Fun, where you'll be able to see all the details about the Content Creation Challenge. I'll see you inside the group, and I'll see you on the next video.